Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through a comparison between Yotpo and Klaviyo. If you're new to Klaviyo, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow along with us. Yotpo is primarily focused on user-generated content, UGC, such as customer reviews, ratings, and testimonials. It aims to help brands collect and showcase authentic feedback to build trust and drive conversions. Yotpo enables businesses to easily collect, manage, and display customer reviews on their websites and product pages. The platform allows brands to leverage customer-generated photos and videos, enhancing marketing efforts and showcasing real customer experiences. Additionally, Yotpo includes built-in loyalty and referral programs, encouraging repeat purchases and customer retention. Businesses can also create a Quanda section for customers to ask questions about products, fostering engagement and providing valuable information. Yotpo offers analytics tools to track the performance of reviews and UGC, providing insights into customer sentiment and engagement. Klaviyo. On the other hand, Klaviyo is an advanced email and SMS marketing platform designed to help businesses increase customer engagement and drive sales through targeted marketing campaigns. With Klaviyo, users can set up automated email workflows triggered by customer behavior, such as welcome series, abandoned cart reminders, and post-purchase follow-ups. Klaviyo allows for highly targeted audience segmentation based on metrics like purchase history, browsing behavior, and engagement levels, enabling personalized messaging. Klaviyo integrates seamlessly with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and analytics tools, making it a versatile choice for data-driven marketing strategies. The platform provides in-depth reporting and analytics, offering insights into campaign performance, customer behavior, and overall marketing effectiveness. I hope you found this helpful. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.